Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Camry SE with the upgrade package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a calm, cool, and collected alpine white. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of upgraded 18-inch wheels. Included in your upgrade package are your tech-savvy features like your push start with smart key system, as well as your Intune 3.0 and your Qi wireless charging station to finally keep up with everything you bring to your day.
Helping you into your Camry is your handy smart key system. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish chrome turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. You also do have your blind spot monitor with the alert showing on your mirror. To lock up those doors now, we're going to put the keys in my pocket, and by simply running your hand across the handle, it will unlock for you, so you don't have to fish for your keys anymore. Right away, you're greeted by a sporty and creative interior. On the side here, you have your illuminated entry. You also do have your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. Some safety features include your fully automatic high beams, your traction control, and you do have that trunk release with that gas door. Below here, you can see that your Camry comes fitted with a full set of all-weather floor mats, plus that unique chrome skid plate to tie all that spot style together. And of course, you have your power adjustable driver's seat, so you are in the optimal position driving your brand new Camry away. Check out the detailing put into your leather interiors with that center detailing tying that classy, graceful style inside of your Camry. Super comfortable. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Camry with your push start, simply put your foot on the brake and you hit that button there. With your smart key system, that dashboard's going to light up with that sweet ambient lighting. You also have that reimagined welcome screen that pops up for you. Taking a look at your multi-information display, you can see that you have your Toyota Safety Sense features opened right now. You can set the alerts with your steering wheel mounted controls, as well as setting the sensitivity of those sensors. You also do have your volume control, your voice command, your hands-free calling, mounted with your mode changers on this side. You can see that your cruise control is on this side as well, with your lane departure alert and your dynamic radar cruise control as part of your Toyota Safety Sense features. You also do have this stunning leather wrapped steering wheel for a nice comfortable driving experience. And on your screen here, let's turn it on to daytime mode so you can see you have your audio system with your AM FM radio. You also do have your Sirius XM radio, your CD player on top with your USB auxiliary input, so that you can bring your music wherever you go. With your Camry, it comes equipped with your Intune 3.0 series, which has things like your Slacker radio as well as your GPS. Opening up your menu now, you can see that you can open those menus up after you've paired your phone with that app. Now, shifting into reverse, you can see that you have your backup camera. So this is the wide angled lens, and then you do have your standard backup lens as well. A nice safety feature to keep everybody nice and safe. Below here, you have your dual zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for both your driver and your passenger side. You also do have that electronic automatic climate control, plus you can sync. You have your heated mirrors, and you have that air conditioning, which will be nice during those hot summer months. Below here, it is a little bit dark, but you do have your Qi wireless charging station, so you simply turn it on there and you place your phone on top and it will charge for you. You have your 12-volt DC charger and USB auxiliary input, and you can store all of your cords below this handy storage compartment. You can see that you have that leather trim on your shift knob, as well as your cup holders. Easily accessible on the side here, you have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. Inside of your center console, check out all that space that's available to you to store everything that you need. Nice leather And of course we see that leather again on your dashboard, which really just stands true to the Toyota quality. Inside of your Camry, you have that metallic trim as well, tying everything together. Inside of your glove box, you'll find all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Camry. Plus, there's that handy lock there, so that everything is nice and safe. Plenty of stylish and functional features built right into your vehicle, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Camry. To open up that trunk, simply hold that release button on your fob and it'll pop open for you here. A great feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your Camry. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. Underneath your cover here, you do have your spare tire storage with your tools and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. There's also a cargo lamp in there for visibility. Your Camry comes equipped with these hooks with your accessory for your cargo net. You have your emergency release from in there. With your SE, you have that spoiler detailing, as well as your backup camera below to help you in and out of those tight spots. You also do have that bumper detailing and your dual chrome tipped exhaust to tie all of that sweet sporty style together. As we look at the back, take one more look at the back of your Camry.
Taking one final look at your brand new 2018 Toyota Corolla SE with the upgrade package. Built right into your vehicle are your Toyota safety sense features like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to have you riding nice and safe. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.